How to improve indoor air quality in your home. The quality of the air we breathe within our homes can greatly influence our health, productivity, and overall satisfaction with our living spaces. Here are some tips to enhance the indoor air quality in your Naples, Florida home. Allow fresh air to circulate by opening windows and doors when weather permits. Introduce indoor plants known for their air-purifying properties, such as spider plants or peace lilies. Invest in high-quality air purifiers to remove pollutants and allergens from the air. Schedule regular maintenance for your HVAC system to ensure efficient air filtration. If you're suffering from poor indoor air quality, reach out to Romeo Air. With a commitment to excellence, we offer tailored HVAC solutions to enhance your indoor air quality. Give us a call at 239-237-1518 and take the first step towards a fresher and cleaner home environment.